Hey everybody, welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Taco Bell's mild border sauce. Cue the music. Hey, well, thanks a lot for joining us today. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor. Head down to the corner there, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. All right, well, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make Taco Bell's mild border sauce. So here's our list of ingredients. We, of course, have 3 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, 3 tablespoons of vinegar, 4 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now this sauce doesn't just get mixed in a bowl and it's ready to go. We actually have to heat this one up. So let's head over to our stovetop and start cooking. All right, as you can see, I have got the 3 cups of water in our pot getting hot, and our mise en place of all of our spices and seasonings are right next to it. I'm gonna get back down onto the pot now, and here we go with the recipe. It's pretty simple. You're basically just going to add your cornstarch into the water, make a slurry, let this heat up to thicken, and then you add all your ingredients, or you can just add all your ingredients at once if you'd like, which is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to turn the heat up just a little bit. We're going to start out with our sauce, our tomato paste, because you want to have something for all the seasonings in there to adhere to, or else you just got a bunch of stuff floating around in the water, and this paste will actually kind of grab hold of all the little granules and help mix that in to the sauce. So I've got that incorporated well with a whip. Metal on metal, that's okay. If you're using Teflon, try to use a Teflon whip so you don't scratch it up. I'm just going to add these in any general order. Just put all your stuff in there. I'm going to whip this up in here first before I add the vinegar. I'm going to add the vinegar. That was our last ingredient. Let's just let this get hot and thicken. All right, as we can see, the bubbles are in there. That means it is boiling hot. At this point, you can turn your burner off or way down low, because there's really no need to keep boiling it. It will tighten a little bit more after this point, but as we can see, I don't know if you can see this, but I can feel it on the whip here that it is getting a little tighter because there's some tension on there. We can use our spoon method, and you can see it's adhering to the spoon, so it's a nice consistency for a sauce there. I'm also going to give it a little taste too. Okay, we'll talk about that more in a bit. Like I said, it will tighten a little bit more, but I'm going to go ahead and break out of this shot and set up our next shot, which is going to have it in a bowl. Take some pretty groovy pictures of that, and we will talk about this sauce a little bit more. All right, here's our sauce. Very nice. Looks good, smells good, good color. It actually looks just like the mild sauce. You can see it adhere to that spoon. The flavor in there, I will taste here. The minute it hit my mouth, I knew it was Taco Bell. The minute it hit my nose, it smelled just like that Taco Bell sauce that we all enjoy. This is the mild version of the border sauce. There is another, I believe, medium. There's hot, Diablo. Probably going to end up doing all of those, but this is my version of the copycat recipe for the mild border sauce. You want to make sure you cool it down, store it in a tight container. I'm going to go ahead and put it right into a, we all know this familiar bottle here, but I'm going to cool it down properly, and then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. It will keep for quite a while because of the acidity with the vinegar in there, but you want to make sure you cool it down properly before you seal it up with a lid. But this is really, really a good sauce. A mild version, like I said. I'm gonna do all three, I think, so stay tuned for that. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Like the video. Please leave a comment down below, and then share this video with everybody that you know. Take care of yourself, God bless, and we'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.